Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft account from your computer in Windows 10. So what you need to do first is open any browser and then search for Microsoft account and then click on the first link from Microsoft, which is sign in or create your account. Now once here, you need to click on create a Microsoft account. Now in here, type in the email address that you have. Any email will work, Gmail, Hotmail or Yahoo Mail, anything will work. So I'm just going to type in my Gmail and then click on next. Now type in your password. This is the password that you will use for your Microsoft account and then click on next. Now they're going to send you a verification code into your email, and now you need to log into that email address that you have just provided and then find that code. So I'm just going to log into Gmail, and here you can see that I have a new email from Microsoft, and if I click on it, here is the security code. So I'm just going to copy it and then paste the code in here. And then I'm going to uncheck this box that says I would like information, tips and offers about Microsoft products and services because I don't need them, and then click on next. Now this is an important part. They're either going to show you a puzzle or maybe a captcha and you need to fill that out. So let's click on next. Now okay, they want me to tap on the arrows to rotate the image. Okay, I'm just going to make it straight and then click on done. And now they're asking if I want to stay signed in. It is up to you. I'm just going to say no. And as you can see here, we have just entered the Microsoft account that we have just created. And from here, you can do your stuff. And you can also use this Microsoft account in your Windows 10 computer. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one.